morning, everyone. Today is going to be a very long day. Uh, so, I need to go to Dubai Mall. I have to pick a few things, and I also need to pick up my cat from the vet. So, what happened is that my cat was actually peeing around a lot of places, but in very small amounts. And he was spending a lot of time in the washroom. So, I decided to take him to the vet, and unfortunately, I found out that he has crystals in his kidneys, something like that. It's more like having stones. So he had undergone a minor surgery, and Alhamdulillah, fortunately, he's fine now. So we have to go pick him up. The doctor had kept him. The vet has had kept him for 7 days, and so we need to go and pick him up. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. There is an ice rink inside Dubai Mall. Guys, we were not expecting this crowd. Not expecting this crowd, honestly. Like, we just came for a shorter run, and we ended up getting in this huge traffic. But it was worth it. Look at that. Yeah, kind of tired, but honestly, it was really worth it. It's very beautiful.
From Dubai Mall. This was the best Burj Khalifa, and look at that. So guys, we had a very long day at the Dubai Mall and our legs are tired. Our legs are gone.
They are
flight, we need another if we need some medicine or something like that, I'll let you know by the end of the day. So right now we are rushing, but yeah, we're driving safe.
Yay! Aww. Mickey, show me.
Sorry guys, so we are back. We really had a long day, Dubai Mall, and then Dubai Mall was really tiring. But anyway, I'm back. I'm happy that we are back with our cat, and the vet said that he's fine now. It's just that we need to force feed him for 3 days. They have given us some recovery food, and we need to force feed him for 3 days, and he's gonna be fine. And after 3 days we have another appointment, but let's just free him for now. Puffo, come out. Oh, and he said we can remove his collar, so I'm gonna remove his collar actually. There you go.
Fluffy. Looks like Fluffy has that.
Alright guys, so it's time to end the day, and today was amazing. We had so much fun. It was tiring, but at the same time I'm glad that our cat is back finally and he's doing good. And just to let you guys know that what the doctor has asked me to give the cat, so this is what I'm going to give him for 3 days. I will have to force feed him with a syringe, and these are the tablets that I need to give him once every 24 hours. So yeah, but do not follow my advice guys. If your cat is sick, make sure that you guys take him to a vet. If you see any signs that he's not using the washroom properly, or if there's any bleeding or anything, I think just take him to the vet. Because in our case, the doctor said that we bought him at the right time. Otherwise, if we would have been like 2 or 3 days late, like he could have, it could have been a life-threatening situation. So guys, with that being said, it's time to end the day. Thanks you for watching, and good night.